Hi guys, so in this workshop what we're going to talk about is adding a site. So if you've got a pro or premium account, you're able to add a new site. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. If you've got pro, you can have 3 sites, and if you've got premium you can have up to 10 sites. So all you need to do is log into your dashboard, go across to your account, and in here you're going to see sites. So as you can see, I've got 1 site set up, and this is a pro account, so I can set up to 3. So to add a site, I can just go in and click add site. I read the important things to know before creating a new site. This is important. You can add as many sites as your plan allows. Each site will have its own data, course funnels, students, emails, etc. No data is shared across the different sites. You can set up custom domains for every single one of your site and subdomains. Sites can be added using your single existing login. So you can log into the site. Basically you log in once and you can jump between the sites. Planned features are shared between the sites. Various limits like emails, etc. are based on your plan for all the sites. So you can only add sites that you own. You cannot add sites that do not belong to you. So let's click continue, and we can just give this a name. So I'm going to call this one 1-to-1 surf coaching, and of course you need to give it a URL. So in here I'm going to go 1-to-1 surf coach. Okay, and we're going to click add site. And now you're going to see we have this site here. So you can click edit, and you can edit this now in here, but you're able to jump between the two. There we go. So here is our new site admin. You can see the URL up here. So now you can just design this as you would normally. If you need to jump back to the other site, the master site, you can just click there. And the more sites you add, they'll come up inside those areas. So you can just jump straight across to them. As you can see that says Surf Dudes. Okay, now this site, because I haven't styled it, if we go to the actual site, it's just going to be basically a fresh install. There we go. So that is how you can add a site. Now remember that inside here we're able to set up custom domains and do everything that we could do in the main site. So we can come down here to integrations, and we could go down and we need to set up our payment again with this account, and you need to go and set up any custom domains or anything that you can find under site settings and custom domain. So you can set all those up there. So it's basically a brand new site.